What up, peeps? It's Saturday and we're doing a little bit of garage teardown. So I've been working on it for a few days. I thought I'd give you a few minute update of where we're at. Yep. Hold on here. Let me switch you around. Weep. There it is. So the other day I hooked up over here to this corner. Just ripped her right off. Caused a big old mess. Took that whole wall down and everything. Got me a big old fire going over there. Yep. Mama Pops' hard work. Yep, just burning away. Yep. So let's see where we at. And my kid's first stroller. Way back when. Got the old Sawzall out here just ripping and tearing. I'm a little worried at this point now. I don't know what to do next. I guess I'll just keep cutting, and if there's no end to this video, you'll know that I'm in the hospital. Oh wait, that's right, I still have to upload it and stuff. Oh, but we are getting there. I've just been doing this a couple hours after work each night. Got me a pile of scrap, pile of gas cans. Man, that's something we are not short of. Gas cans, sleds, and tarps. We got those. Alright, well, I'm gonna get back to work. I'll do an update here at the end of the day, and then maybe I'll upload around the old Sunday morning. Well, I decided it'd be way more fun to do sketchy stuff, so I backed the old trucker up and looped her around. Just got her hook it up. Then I'll set you up in the back again and we'll tear it down, baby. Probably should really clean that off a little so I can see. Nah, it'll be all good. Okie dokie. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man, I love breaking stuff. That was pretty cool. Alright, got some more stuff cut up. No, I don't feel as bad getting in there. Alright, a couple more cuts and she come down. Slightly used garage for sale. I have all the parts, just needs to be assembled. $10,000, no low ballers. I know what I got. Check out these dope headphones. Styling. Kicker, baby. How can you see it? I don't know. Can you see it? I don't know. Anyway, anywho. Well, I'm getting tired of cutting, so let me flip you. So, here we are. Boy, we're doing good. We're making progress. But I think I'm going to get out the trusty old tow rope again. Yeah, get off of there. And come back here. Maybe stick it like right there. Wrap it around that. And maybe that will like flippy this? I don't know. We'll try it. See what happens. Hopefully it doesn't knock the oil drum all over. I don't know, let's do it. Got that backup camera action. This in there, put this in there. Put that through there, tuggy, yeah. This is all safety. Gotta be safety. Okay, we ready. Okay, is it gonna flip over or is it just gonna drag it out of there? I don't know. Let's just put it first gear. Go, baby! Well, that'll work too. Hang it I was hoping it was really gonna flip all over the place. Alright, back to work. We're about halfway there, huh? Perfect. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had gas cans in the back of the truck. Oopsie. I was about to throw this board in the fryer. Look at that. That's hilarious. I wonder who drew this. So my dad and all his friends from work built the garage and the house. I'm so glad I looked at this. Man, I wonder if there was any others that I threw in there that had this on it. So I'm definitely going to save this board. That's super cool. Huh. Look at that soil. Woo! There's a shingle there somewhere. But man, that's pretty thick. That's just insulation. That's all that is. Keep the heat in. Yeah. This is a good pile. I think that's it. My back is about as hot as that fire right there. It's got my spine all twisted. I need a break. Need a celebration stick. Look at though. We got some work done today. I am proud of myself. Proud of myself. Started shoveling up, man. Nails everywhere. I'm gonna have to have my boy Chris Smith bring his kids out and get the old roller magnet out and go around and pick up all the nails and crap that's all over. Boy, we still got one day left of this weekend. I might have to hit it tomorrow, and man, I bet we could almost see the floor by tomorrow night if I really did something. Yeah. Still got the pimpers on, just like old school. Except for these bump. That's why I like them. And they're probably still on, so the microphone is through here. Alright, man. I'm done with you guys. I'm getting out of here. I'm going in to relax, take a hot shower. Rally on.